Do you think veggies and guppies can't coexist? Welcome to the fascinating world of aquaponics, an innovative method that has been turning heads worldwide. In its simplistic essence, aquaponics is a beautiful fusion of aquaculture, or raising aquatic life, and hydroponics, or cultivating plants in water, sans soil. It is a unique ecosystem where plants and fish exist in a beneficial symbiotic relationship, evolving, surviving, and flourishing together. The genius of this system revolves around its fundamental principle: the fish supply necessary nutrients for the plants, and reciprocating this favor, the plants cleanse and purify the water for the fish. It's an interdependent cycle that utilizes nature's wisdom to foster a sustainable habitat. There are various possibilities for pairing plants and fish in aquaponics. Some common mixes include leafy greens with goldfish, whose nitrogen-rich waste is a treasure trove of nutrients for the plants. Another effective pair is tomatoes with tilapia, as tilapia is a robust species that can handle different water conditions, and tomatoes are nutrient-rich plants that thrive from the fish's waste. But maintaining equilibrium is crucial in this intricate dance of nature. Too many fish can lead to an overload of nutrients, causing stunted growth or even plant demise. Too many plants might leave the fish in a precarious situation, lacking the crucial nutrients for survival. However, with thoughtful planning and strategic alterations, a thriving and productive aquaponics system can be sustained. It is a living testament to nature's power of balance and harmony. It's a celebration of biodiversity and interdependence, demonstrating sustainability at its finest. The size of an aquaponics system can vary depending on your preference. It could be a small indoor setup with herbs and a goldfish bowl, or an extensive outdoor farm with multiple fish species and a wide range of plants. The options are boundless. Besides being environmentally friendly, aquaponics is economically advantageous. It conserves water, minimizes the requirement for fertilizers, and eradicates waste associated with traditional farming. It's a win-win situation for both you and Mother Earth. Submerge yourself in the captivating world of aquaponics, understand its science, explore its potential, and be a part of this groundbreaking shift towards sustainable living. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned gardener, city dweller, or country inhabitant, there's an aquaponics system suited for you. The realm of aquaponics is intriguing, filled with surprises and brimming with boundless potential. Embark on this thrilling journey of discovery, education, and growth. A journey that not only enriches your life, but also makes a substantial contribution to preserving our planet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more updates on plants. Dive in, learn, and join the aquaponics revolution. Until we meet again, keep it green and keep it clean.